Hey guys, it's SterlingW. If you want to add some privacy to your balcony or your fence or maybe even somewhere else, you could actually add, fake ivy trellises. I actually wanted to cover up these white bars on my balcony so it looks like this instead because I really didn't like the white bars. Not to mention, this was so easy to set up that it only took like a few minutes to put this thing up. It already comes with some zip ties and stuff, and it's nice to have a little bit of flowers and some ivy, and it's pretty neat. I could also put on the other side if I want to add more privacy on my other end so I could see the flowers when I'm on the balconies, and also for my neighbors not to look at, when I'm having tea outside of my balcony or porch. So this is pretty awesome. It's really fast to set up. It just comes with some zip ties and stuff and it folds out. This is almost like a panel that expands out, and I'll show you a little bit. But yeah, I like the fact that it's a little green and there's no smell to this, which is really nice too. There's different colors for this stuff too, so it's neat that it's like a aquarium. You can actually just move this trellis back into place to store it if you wanted to. As you can see, it actually gets a little higher as it folds out or in and expands. So it works perfectly well for my balcony because it's only like 4 feet by 8 feet, which is perfectly fine. It covers up all the white bars that I have. If this was a different look, then this looks way better than seeing metal bars there on my balcony. So this is pretty awesome. Anyways, it's very easy to take off too. Like I said, I have some S hooks that hold it up in place while I zip tied it, but you could totally just use this temporarily for a party and stuff, for a background, or maybe even for a background for like I guess your bar or whatever else. You could totally use this as a background too. It looks really nice. Anyways, guys, it's SterlingW. I hope this quick review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.